Hi everyone. Today topic is solid state. Solid state. It is very useful for IIT JEE and NEET level students, and it is some important points and discussed in solid state that are first of all basic points that are crystal lattice. Crystal lattice. Next one is lattice point. Lattice point. Next one is unit cell. Unit cell. Unit cell. First of all, we discussed about that crystal lattice. What is meant by crystal lattice? A regular three-dimensional arrangement. A regular three-dimensional arrangement of points is known as crystal lattice. This is called as a crystal lattice. Okay na? This is called as crystal lattice. The crystal lattice does not indicate the structure of crystal. Does not indicate the structure of crystal. Now, what is meant by lattice point? Each point of in a lattice, each point in a lattice is known as a lattice point. This is called as a lattice point. Okay na? Now what is meant by unit cell? Smallest repeating unit from which crystal lattice is known as. This is called as unit cell. Unit cell. Okay na? First of all, what they discussed? Crystal lattice. A regular three-dimensional arrangement of points in a space is called as crystal lattice. Next one is lattice point, means each point in a lattice is known as lattice point. Next one is unit cell, a smallest repeating unit from which crystal lattice is built is known as unit cell. Okay, these are the main basic points are involved in a solid state lesson. Now coming to that actual structure of unit cell is, this is the three-dimensional manner. This is the structure of unit cell. Okay na? Now coming to the types of unit cell, means how it will be arranged. Okay na? The types are involved in the unit cell, means primitive unit cubic arrangement. Primitive unit cubic arrangement, number of lattice points are 8. Number of atoms or ions per unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. Okay na? Next one is coming to that. Next point is face center. Face centered arrangement of unit cell. Face centered tetragonal lattice. Number of lattice points are 14. Means 8 corners plus 6 face center. Totally 14 lattice points are present. Now number of atoms, face center tetragonal lattice, number of lattice points are 14. Means 8 corners plus 6 face center. Here number of atoms or ions in unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2 equal to 4. This is the face centered lattice points. Unit cell. In a unit cell, face centered lattice point. Next one is third one is body centered unit cell cubic arrangement. Means in this case, body centered cubic arrangement, number of lattice points are 9. That is here in this case 8 at corners plus 1 body center. Okay, in this case formula is 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 equal to 2. And one more is there, that is end center. That is end center. End centered is 8 corners, 8 at corners and 2 at FCC. Totally how many? 10. Now number of atoms or ions per unit cell is 8 into 1 by 8 plus 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 2. Okay na? These are the unit cell arrangement types. Unit cell arrangement type. Next one is packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. Formula is packing efficiency. Formula is here volume occupied atoms by total volume of the unit cell. Total volume of unit cell into 100. That is the packing efficiency formula in the BCC crystal. Packing efficiency of BCC crystal is very important. 68%. Packing efficiency of simple cubic lattice. Simple cubic lattice is here 52.4%. And packing efficiency in HEP means hexagonal closed packing and cubic closed packing lattice is 74%. Okay na? Next one is density of unit cell. Density of unit cell formula is here D equal to Z capital M by A cube NA. Means here Z is nothing but number of atoms in unit cell. Number of atoms in unit cell. Next one is M is nothing but molar mass. A cube is nothing but volume of unit cell. NA is nothing but Avogadro number of atoms. Avogadro's number of atoms. This is the density of unit cell. Okay na? Thank you. Next video part 2 it is also useful for JEE and NEET level.